Alonzo ang ating unang makakapanayam. Isang kababayan natin nag-stand out sa isang chess international competition. Napakagaling ng bata ito. At para pag-usapan yan, makakasama natin si Chanmi Lopez, ang chess champion, at si Professor Lorna Lansangan, ang principal ng Sunhwa International Academy. Magandang umaga po. Ayan, siguro natin, kausapin muna natin si Chan. Tell us something about the tournament na sinalihan mo kamakailan.
First of all, I felt nervous when I take a seat in front of my opponent. But when I saw my father, I felt happy.
Okay, so kinabahan siya. Pero kita mo naman, nag-stand out siya, no?
Yeah, which is normal naman po sa mga bata talaga na ninenervyos during competitions. But she came to overcome that and she made it to the finishing line.
Yes.
That's why she became champion.
Wow, galing. So, congratulations sa Chanmi. So, paano mo pinaghandaan ang torneo? Chan.
Pinaghandaan ko po yung tournament by reading books, chess books.
Wala kang training. Sino nagtuturo sa'yo? Sino nagtitrain sa'yo?
Father ko po.
Yung daddy mo. Wow. So,
Dito ba
talaga sa
father mo
family, no? Andito ba si daddy?
Hindi na?
Wala po.
Okay,
Wala. Okay.
Yung larong chess ba talaga dapat ibabase mo lahat ng moves mo sa mga librong nababasa mo, lahat ng mga strategy sa libro? Or pwedeng ikaw din mismo mag-analyze? Chanmi?
Ako po mismo mag-analyze. Pero hindi po pwedeng lahat ng movement na sa chess book.
Pero nakakatulong yung libro.
Apo.
Oh, ganun.
Ayan. Alam mo sa chess kasi meron kang sarili dyan, kumaga, tactics. Ikaw, ano ba yung usually, ano yung galaw o tactics na ginagamit mo every game or every competition na talaga namang ikaw yung nagsa-stand out or ikaw yung nananalo sa mga competition?
Yung techniques ko po is don't forget to analyze.
Analyze. So, magaling ka sa math? Mga gano'n. Magaling ka sa problem solving.
So, Professor, paano po natin natutulungan ang mga gifted, no? Tsaka mga talentadong mga estudyante katulad ni Chanmi dyan sa Sunhwa International Academy?
Yeah. Actually, during these months, we really expect that there are competitions among private schools. And just to note, Antipolo of almost hundreds of private schools competing with the same sports. And in Sunhwa, we really cater them the practice starting during summer classes. Meron na po yan silang mga different clubs. We have chess, we have tennis, volleyball, basketball. We also have Tong Ilmudo, which is a martial arts. We have Fandans troupe and everything that can help them physically fit when in terms to their own sports or respective sports.
Anong incentives naman ay bibigay po ninyo sa kanila? Meron ba?
Meron po
Professor?
silang mga discounts and then of course aside sa mga awards nila, mga karangalan na binibigay nila sa mga magulang nila for the institutions, they also avail some incentives.
So hindi siya
from
full
the school.
scholarship or ano lang, may discount?
Not really, because we also offer a lot of scholarships for our students, and most of them are recipients of these scholarships.
Ma'am, paano niyo po pinipili yung mga estudyante niyo na ipapadala niyo sa ibang bansa for a competition? Like for example, si Chan.
Yeah, they undergo eliminations. Meron po kaming inter-school competitions. Meron din silang inter-private school competitions. May city meet competition. And then they will compete to the public school. Ganun po. And then go to provincial level, national, before international.
Chanmi, sino ang matindi mong nakalaban sa larong chess?
None of them.
None of them? Wow. So,
Yeah, because
magaling
she
mo.
has no losses at all. Straight po yan siya. She has one winner by default. Hindi na siya sinipot ng kanya.
Natakot na, no? Sino-sino po yung mga bansang nakalaban ni Chan?
We are just here.
Just
Yeah.
here, oo.
Local lang.
Local
Local
pa lang.
But we are
Okay.
waiting for the schedule na makipag-compete pa siya for a higher...
So meron kayong naka-schedule na
Yes.
international
It's coming
competition?
October.
Saan po yun, Professor?
We did not receive yet the memo
Oh.
where is exactly the place for the event. But we are preparing her already.
Chanmi, anong madalas mong ginagamit na taktika sa larong chess na yan?
Analyze lang po talaga.
Analyze lang.
Opo.
Oo.
Siguro
I
ma'am,
think kasi, parang it became their own play or games in the house
yes,
with the
oo,
father.
sa house.
Even yung ate din niya
Magaling.
Magaling din,
Yun
no?
talaga yung kanilang laro sa bahay.
Paano po ile-level yung playing field ngayon na magaling siya sa sports, at the same time
sa academics.
tuloy-tuloy din na academic?
She's our top 2.
Wow!
In the class. So, she can balance because basically, Sunwa International Academy focus on academics. Only this year that we come up with why not we will compete also outside with this other co-curricular activities.
Okay, how about suporta siguro sa mga estudyante nyo na sumasali sa magganitong competition? Ano pong suporta binibigay ng eskwelahan?
Yeah, we support them when it comes to their needs, lahat package
na.
during the competitions from school to the site or the event. We support the expense competitions, including yung mga kailangan nila during their practice. Sinusuportahan po yan ng Sunwa. If we can invite them or ask them to do their preparations inside the academy, we do.
Ayan. Naku, si Chanmi, isang asset yan ng eskwelahan nyo dahil ito nga napakagandang balita, no losses, no?
Opo, no losses
And
po yan
I
siya.
think you're ready for an international competition. Again, congratulations, Chanmi, and of course to the principal, Miss Lorna Lansangan, principal ng Sunwa International Academy. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Professor, and thank you, Chanmi. Congratulations. Keep up the good work. Okay.
Right.
Okay,